Hello everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. If your iPhone, like mine, is stuck on the reset progress bar and does not respond no matter what, don't worry. In today's video, I will guide you step by step to solve this problem. Let's get started. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. Whether your device is frozen or unresponsive, a force restart is applicable and effective, so you can try it first. The steps are as follows: press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Your iPhone will begin a force restart. If this method does not work, you can try using a computer to fix it. Method 2. Using iTunes to restore iPhone. If a force restart fails, it may indicate that your iOS firmware is corrupted. In this case, you can try repairing it using iTunes. The steps are as follows: connect your iPhone to the computer, quickly press the volume up and volume down buttons, and hold the side button until the iPhone enters recovery mode. Once in recovery mode, opening iTunes on the computer will display a prompt asking whether you want to update or restore the iPhone. Choosing Restore will reinstall iOS, keep the current version but erase all data. Conversely, selecting Update will keep your data while upgrading the iPhone to the latest iOS version. However, I recommend a method that preserves both the iOS version and your data. Method 3. Using UltFone iOS System Repair. UltFone iOS System Repair is a professional iOS repair tool loved by millions of users worldwide. It can fix over 150 iOS system issues and offers one-click backup and restore features to protect your data. I have provided the download link in the description. The steps are as follows. First, connect your iPhone to the computer. Then open UltFone, and you will see an option to enter recovery mode with one click. Click to enter recovery mode, and once your iPhone is in recovery mode, click Start Repair, select Standard Repair, and then click Download to get the iOS firmware package. After the download is complete, click to start the standard repair. This process takes about 10 minutes. Once finished, your iPhone will automatically restart, return to normal, and no data will be lost. Look, the iPhone can now be used normally. It is worth mentioning that using iTunes may result in errors or take too long, so I still recommend using UltFone to repair the iPhone. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you can solve this problem now. If you found this video helpful, please like and follow us. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.